right? You are going to attract all kinds of people. Now, don't forget one thing. We saw this when ICOPE was formed. There were certain people who resigned, I'm putting that in inverted commas, from the ANC. The brief was clear, go and destroy COPE. So I have no doubt that when Utata Uzuma put this net ngogeloba, he attracted a lot of bad elements. Now, if I'm a bad element, I wouldn't tell him I'm bad, I'm here to destroy your party. I would say I'm very loyal to you.
Yes.
Now, Utata Zuma is very clever. There is no doubt about it. He is very clever, but obviously he's a human being as well.
Dr. John Hlophe, the currently suspended Deputy President of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party,